Whether it's morning, noon, or night, the Learn, Develop, Live podcast will set you right. This is the Learn, Develop, Live 1 Minute of Motivation.
Good morning, afternoon, or good evening. This is another Learn, Develop, Live podcast with your 1 minute of motivation. Now I'm bringing you just 1 minute now, but why not get yourself 30 minutes for free, completely one-to-one. Come over to ldlcall.com, book your slot, and let's have that chat to see how we can take your life to the next level. But first, here is today's quote. It's okay to disappear until you feel like you again. It's okay, when you don't feel your best. Often we don't want to face the questions, the fuss, and we just want to sort ourselves out in our own little way. Self-medicating in some way of happiness. Spend the time you need to sort yourself out and get yourself mentally in a better place. If you're good, the world around you will also be better. Look after you first, and the rest will follow behind it.
That was your 1 minute of motivation. You can find more motivation and inspiration at learndeveloplive.com, and we'll see you tomorrow for more.